u, object distance, and f is the focal length. F is the focal length. This is the formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Derivation is not in your syllabus. Now, before numericals, I am going to tell you about the linear magnification. Linear magnification. Linear magnification. Before numericals, we have to do topic linear magnification. What about linear magnification? The ratio of heights. We have two definitions. Ratio of heights. Ratio of height of image to the height of object. Height of image. Height of image. Height of image is h2. Height of object, this is h1. Means ratio means division h2 by h1. This is linear magnification. Linear magnification is represented by m. Formula is m is equals to h2 by h1. Linear magnification, this is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Ratio of the heights. Height of the image and height of the object. M is equals to h2 by h1. And the second formula, magnification, which is represented by m, is equals to the ratio of the distances. Ratio of the distances means ratio of the image distance. Ratio of the image distance divided by the object distance. Ratio of the image distance divided by the object distance, but with the minus sign. M is equals to minus of image distance divided by object distance. M is equals to image distance means v and object distance is u. M is equals to minus v by u. M is equals to h2 by h1. This is your first equation. This is your second equation. Take it consider both the equations equal, because left side is equal. Both are values of m. Here h2 by h1, here minus v by u. Keep both the sides equal. h2 by h1 is equals to minus v by u. This is the third formula. If you have to find, suppose one height is given, let it be height of object is given. Height of object is given. Height of object is given. Distance of both object as well as image, both the distances are given. We have to find height of